Assalamualaikum dan good morning to all of the students. Okay, so I only see one student that came in class today, but it's okay. I'm going to record this class, and if you cannot attend the class, you can look at the recording after this. Okay, so today is actually an introduction class. Okay, so we are going to look through all the performer of this class, which is a simulation class. Okay. So this is the synopsis of the course. So what we are going to do throughout the semester is that we want students to know about the concepts and applications of simulation, so that they can able to modulate, simulate, and analyze simple systems as soon as possible. So there is a lot of experimental explorations of results. So we are going to use some of the data, real world data. Then we are going to simulate the data in order to understand more about the data set. Okay, so it involve simulation of static, discrete event, and dynamic models. And some of the topics is the system concepts, modeling, simulating, and analyzing various systems using Excel and R software. So this is actually a master level class, so I assume that most of the students are very familiar with probabilistic function. What else? Calculus. We have to do a lot of integrations here and other stuff as well. Mathematics stuff as well. Okay. So this is some of the reference. So the main reference is the one in the star here, which is by Temple. It's a 2016 textbook, Simulation for Data Science in R. So that is the main reference. This textbook is quite old. Okay, so it's about 7 years old. Okay, it's not a current textbook, but this is the one that that we can cover most. Okay, if you need new materials, so if you need to understand new models that we are still going to cover, but most probably we're just going to cover the basic. Okay, so you can look at the other textbooks as well. So we look at bootstrap methods in one of the weeks. We will also look at a little bit about Python, but I'm not going to use Python in this class. So if you're interested in Python, you can look at it on your own. Okay, so optimization, which is the parameter optimization. So if you need some other materials for you to understand, you can look at the other textbooks. But the main reference will be the Temple textbook, Simulation for Data Science in R. And these are the 4 course objectives. So since this is a 4 credit hours course, so you need to be able to have all this objective to by the end of the semester. So the 4 objectives are: compare different simulation systems in analyzing data, distinguish most suitable simulation model, and develop system using R software. Lastly, analyze and make decisions based on the simulation real world problem. Okay, and the last is I'm going to talk about the assessment. Okay, so there is one big project that you need to do in a group. So the project includes 10% for the report and 10% for the presentation. You also have one test in the midterm mid-semester. It's about 20%. A total assignment will be about 4 assignments. So each assignment will cover about 5%, and final exam will be about 40%. So that is the assessment for the rest of the class. Okay. So this class is quite small class actually. So I think only 5 to 10 people, only about 7 people are registered for this class. So since this is a master level class, so I do hope that you guys work in group, and so it will be easier for you to understand all the assignments, all the material from this class. That's all from me today, and I'll see you again next week. Thank you.